Hi, welcome to Quick and Easy Meals. Today we're going to make a light dinner or lunch that's going to be very healthy. We're going to make salmon and asparagus, so stay tuned. The ingredients for today's meal is quite simple and you don't really need to make any measurements. Although I will tell you about 2 tablespoons of butter, but I usually use a lot more. Lemon, salt, pepper, the asparagus, Parmesan cheese, fresh garlic, and the star of the show, the salmon. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to get started, let's prepare the asparagus. First, make sure you wash it off. Then you want to cut off the ends where it's woody, up to the green stem part, and discard the woody part. Okay, next, prepare the pan with about a tablespoon of olive oil, or in this case, I'm using avocado oil, and a tablespoon of butter. And let that melt. And your pan should be on medium. It shouldn't burn. Your butter shouldn't burn as soon as you put it into the pan. Okay, and while this is melting, I also melting some butter in the microwave in order to spread it on to the salmon later for flavoring. So let this melt until it's fully melted, and then we'll add the asparagus. Okay, now once your butter is fully melted, we'll add the asparagus, and we're going to put it only on 1/2. If you got a large enough pan, you can cook this in this whole meal in one pan. And then we'll add salmon because they cook at the same pace. Now you can add salmon with the skin on or off. I like the skin on. And then we will add salt and pepper to both of these, and we'll cook the salmon on each side for 3 minutes. Okay, if your salmon is extra big like this one, it may take longer than 3 minutes on one side, but you kind of know when to turn it over when the side is white. Oh, the side of it gets white. It's about time to turn it over and do the other side. It's best not to overcook your salmon, so it doesn't taste very good if it's overcooked. Now, while the salmon's cooking in the microwave, I have prepared a little mixture with butter and garlic, and I will be spreading this onto the salmon once it's ready. You don't have to do this, but it's a nice mixture. So I put 2 tablespoons of butter and some fresh garlic, and I used a garlic pillar presser to get the fresh garlic. You really don't want to use pre-made garlic. It doesn't give you that good garlicky flavor if you really like garlic like I do. So now we need to turn the asparagus over. Get that on the other side. We really need to turn the asparagus over and cook that also on the other side for about 3 minutes. Okay, now that it's about reached its cooking time, we'll add some garlic in here and let that cook, and we'll turn the heat off and just kind of let the garlic cook and brown and create some flavor. We'll turn the salmon back over, and like I said, I will add my little mixture and spread that over top of the salmon. That way you get good garlicky flavor all in there. If you like garlic as much as I do, you probably won't want to add this mixture if you aren't crazy about garlic and you just only like garlic. I'm crazy about garlic. And turn the heat off and just let that cook for 2 minutes, and your dinner is ready. While you're cooking for the last 2 minutes, you want to add some lemon juice on your salmon. I squeeze this with the lemon squeezer. I think it gives you more quality juice. And then you're going to want to add in your Parmesan cheese. So we'll add a little Parmesan cheese for the last 2 minutes onto your asparagus. As much as you like, or as little as you like, or not at all if you don't like. Okay, now you're ready to take your seat at the table, and you have a nice healthy meal. If you're trying to lose weight, this is a great healthy meal for you. So please like and subscribe and get more meals like this, quick and easy, right in your mailbox. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to receive more healthy, quick meals just like this one. Until next time, I'll see you.